a ClickBank secret key. All you have to do is head on over to ClickBank, click on vendor settings, then click on my site. You're going to scroll all the way down to the page where it says advanced tools. We're going to click on edit. And here we're going to enter in a secret key. It's important to know that ClickBank would accept any combination of uppercase letters or numbers. So to keep things simple, I'm going to just enter in Clickmagic and then save changes. Now, if we scroll all the way down, we can see that we now have a secret key. If you have questions or need help when creating your secret key, you can get that help by going back into Clickmagic, going over to help desk support, and let us know how we can assist you when creating your ClickBank secret key. A Clickmagic support agent will be able to reach out to you, letting you know how to go about creating your secret key. That is it for this video. My name is Isaiah. To get started with using campaigns with your Google ads, you only need to follow a few steps. The first step is making sure that you have campaigns set up. And by that, I simply mean, click on this wrench icon, website code, and you want to make sure that you have your click tracking code on the page you're going to be sending traffic to, and if necessary, the conversion tracking code on your later pages. Once that is set up, you can begin getting started with using Google Ads. For that, all we'll need to do is click on this wrench icon, click on URL builder, then we're going to go to the page we're going to be sending traffic to. We will copy this URL, go back inside of campaigns, we'll paste in the URL here. And as you can see, we have UTM parameters. Now it's important to know that the first three, UTM source, medium, and campaign, are required in order for campaigns to work. For UTM source, you can just enter in the source of traffic, which in this case would be Google Ads. And if you already have entered in Google Ads, you can just select it here in this drop down. Medium, which is basically the marketing medium, CPC, which stands for cost per click, social, email, etc. In this case, I'm gonna say CPC. And as you can see, it already shows up here. And then UTM campaign, which would be the name of this campaign. For me, it's a promotion of a list building book. So I'm gonna just enter in list building. And as you can see, it shows up right here. Term and content are optional. And if you wanted to, you can also pass in Google Ad tokens as well. If you don't know what those are, you can get them inside of this article here. Keyword, which will pass over the keyword phrase that triggered the ad. Ad group ID, campaign ID, creative, device, which pass over M for mobile, T for tablet, and C for computer, the network, the placement, and the target if necessary. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and just pass on over the keyword inside of the term here. So I'm gonna just enter in squiggly bracket keyword. And as you can see, I've already entered it before, so I would just select it here in this drop down. Now that this link is created, all I'm going to do is save and copy the URL. Go inside of Google Ads, and where it's asking me for a final URL, I will just paste in that URL here, and then I would just save and create another ad. Now you'll also see that we have options here, add URL options. For campaigns, you don't need to worry about these options such as a tracking template, a final URL suffix, or custom parameters, because the final URL that people land on is going to be the URL that you just created. So you can just safely ignore these options and then just continue with creating more ads so you can start driving traffic through to your URLs. And that's it. If you have questions on getting campaigns set up so you can run Google Ads, all you would need to do is head back into Clickmagic, go to help desk support, and let us know that you need some help with getting campaigns set up so you can run your Google Ads. A Clickmagic support agent will be able to reach out to you, walking you through what it is you need to do so you can start running your Google Ads. And that is it for this video. My name is Isaiah. Thank you so much for choosing Clickmagic, and I will talk to you soon.